Good afternoon. This is Ryan with Five Knots Digital Marketing. As I stated on my phone call the other day, I just wanted to shoot you guys a quick video um, on a few different ideas and techniques that you might be able to utilize. You could even use them as soon as today to start gaining some more notoriety and start gaining some more web traffic through Google. Again, this is Ryan with Five Knots Digital Marketing. I wanted to shoot this video over to you guys, Jeff and Ed at ARC Welding and Fabrication. So without further ado, we'll jump right into it. And as you can see, I got your website pulled up here right now, which I really like. I mean, it's very user friendly. It's easy to navigate. It's very clear and vibrant. But the three main things that we want to focus on to get you guys noted on Google is going to be your website content, your citations, and your backlinks. And we'll get into those two things here in a minute. But the first thing I want to talk about is your content here on your website. I went ahead and put in the content that you have right now currently on your homepage. And you guys are at about 134 words. I use a word counter tool that I utilize to find that out. But you guys have 134 words right now on your homepage. And really what Google's looking for is anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. And that's on your home page, but even on your services pages, you also want to include about 1,500 words of content on there and also be highlighting some of the key words for Google to find you guys, such as arc welding would be a good one. Um, I know you guys do more than just arc welding. You guys also install fences, which is a whole nother topic we can discuss. But some of the ways that you might be able to boost up some of that content would maybe to be go into some of your welding processes and even some of the safety aspects that you guys utilize, because what Google is looking for is authoritative content. So when they look on your page, they want to see that you guys are the expert in this business. So if you go in a little bit more detailed as far as what type of arc welding you do, I'm familiar with the processes. As I said, I do quite a bit of welding for my other company. You could talk a little bit about TIG, you could talk a little bit about stick, you could talk a little bit about MIG and what those different applications are used for. Um, I know you go into it a little bit in some of the explanations, but that would really help to boost up some of your content on your page and give Google a little bit more to rank you guys with. I see you guys are already, utilizing a marketing company, which is great. I mean, obviously you understand the value of marketing and what it can bring to your company, and that's really why I wanted to shoot this video for you guys, just to give you a quick overview of some of the top things that we look for that we can help get your site ranked on Google. Um, so that's your content. That's probably the first thing I would fix on the website would be just to really include more content. Your pictures, like I said, are great. You might be able to get away with doing a little bit more of a image gallery is something I would probably include. I know you do have some images on each page, but something else I want to show you real quick is if I go to save this image, you see how it's popping up as ARC2? There's ways to put keywords even in on these images. Let's say arc welding or welding near me or fencing repair or gate building or whatever keywords that we would try to rank you for. You can actually stuff those keywords into your images so that they might not necessarily be displayed when someone clicks on it, but Google knows that it's there because that's what your image would be saved under. That's just kind of one of the tips and tricks that you can utilize on your website to help gain some keyword acknowledgement and for a little more information for Google to crawl your page. Now, the next thing I want to show you is citations, okay? And a citation is really as simple as your business name, address, phone number, information as it shows up on Google. So it could be on MapQuest like you have here, uh, Go Local, Yellow Pages, Angie's List, etc. And this is a citation finder that I use. It's a paid tool that I use. It costs me about 40 bucks a month to use this tool. But in throwing your company name in here, Arc Welding Fabrication and Fencing, you can see right now you guys currently have 13 citations. And that's not a bad start. That's a really good start. But see, the more citations you have, the more places that your company is linked to, the more notoriety you're going to gain through Google. And if we look at your top competitor, this is one of your top competitors in the area. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with him, but Richard Jeff Welding, as you see here, he's got 20 citations. Now it's not a lot more, but it's a number that's very feasible for us to beat. So we could go into these same companies that he's utilizing with his that's ranking his company, Yellow Pages, Manta, the Blue Book, Silex, etc. We could go into all those same companies and request your business be added to those listings, which would then jump up your citations number, probably well over his. And that's something that Google's going to be looking for. Now, the third thing I wanted to show you, which I'm having difficulty with, unfortunately, my tool is showing backlinks is not popping up. I was able to do a little bit of research a few days ago on your company, and I noticed that you guys did have quite a few backlinks, which is great. That's something that this company you guys are using right now, Experience Marketing Solutions, they're probably getting those backlinks for you, and it's good. But one thing I want to tell you is that not all backlinks are created equal. And I noticed on a lot of your backlinks, they had you guys linked to like hot tub websites. So when I speak about authoritative content, Google sees the backlinks and that's good, but they want your company to be listed on authoritative backlinks. So to get you guys noted by Google, you'd want to get on to, let's say, safety boot company in Stuart, Florida, or any web or any welding supply companies, even maybe some schools that teach welding. Those would be the kind of backlinks that we would shoot for that would gain you a little bit more notoriety through Google. To help out where you guys can be found so that the next time I come over here, and as I stated, I am in Port St. Lucie, so I just went ahead and typed welding near me. And these are the top finds that we have right here. Richard Jeff is above you guys. Um, and you guys were down here at about number 7 or 8, which is, I'm sorry, that's not you guys either. Right here, about number 9 or so. And it's not a bad start in organic searching, but ideally, we want to get you, and what we can do for you guys is get you in this top 3, okay? Because anytime someone goes to searches welding near me or metal fence repair or gate repair, you want to be in this top 3 spots. The reason I say that is because 96% of people that use Google, when they search for a service, whether it's plumbing, air conditioning, whatever the case is, 96% of those people will be clicking on the top 3 spots for the services. Okay, so that's going to bring you guys a lot more traffic. It's obviously going to bring you guys more business and ultimately help you guys out in the long run. And as I stated, I'm a small business myself. I'm located here in Port St. Lucie. My goal is to help small business to build big business. As I stated, you guys can check me out on 5knotsdigitalmarketing.com. Once you receive the video, check it out. If it's something you're interested or think that this could help at all, great. If not, no harm, no foul. I'm here to help out. Feel free to reach out with any questions. Again, guys, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I do look forward to speaking with you. Have a good day.